to my channel. Thanks for stopping by today. So guys, today I have my BoxyCharm Luxe box. If you are not familiar with BoxyCharm, BoxyCharm is a subscription, and this is the Luxe box, which comes out every 3 months, and it costs $59.99 a month. And in this box, you're going to get items that are makeup and lifestyle. So there's a mixture of what could be in this box. This box does have a value up to $358. And if you're interested in getting this box for yourself, go to boxycharm.com. This is my paid for box. I do enjoy subscriptions, and I love sharing them with you guys and letting you know what I got in mine. And you can let me know what you got in yours. If you're new to my channel, welcome! Thanks for stopping by. I hope you come back and check out some of my other videos. If you enjoy subscription boxes and you are a huge purse lover like I am, that's why I made this channel, because I wanted to share all my loves with you guys. So if that is something you are interested in, then please feel free to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell, and it'll let you know the next time I upload a video. And also leave me a comment. I like to get to know you guys a little bit better, and I love communicating to you guys in the comment section, and I look forward to that. So without any further delay, guys, let's get into this box. This box is heavy, by the way. And it's stuffed to capacity, just so you guys know. So I'm kind of curious as to what's inside, but it's a pretty heavy box. I haven't gotten one this filled in quite some time. So guys, if you don't know, the lifestyle box has about 8 full-size products in it, so you could get a mixture, like I said, of the beauty and lifestyle kind of products. So we'll get right in and see what we got. So let's get started. Alright guys, so every time we get our box, we get a BoxyCharm card, and generally it'll be some kind of theme or something on here, but this just says Fall Luxe 2022. On the back of this, we always have a card that tells us the items in our box and the value of the items in our box, and gives us a little brief description about what's inside. So let me get started with our first item out of this box. So guys, the first thing I'm pulling out is a spongele. Yeah, spongele. Yeah, I think it's spongele. I have the Honey Blossom, and this is the body wash infused buffer. If you're not familiar, they look like, and these last a while too. If you guys have never used these, they last for quite a while with the washes. You can get a whole bunch of uses out of these before they kind of need to be tossed out. So, ooh, it really smells good too. Ooh, I like that. That smells really nice. It's Honey Blossom. It's like a nice fresh scent. Oh, I like that. That smells really good. So guys, I can't wait to use this one. But it's a body wash, and again, it's a buffer and body wash, so you can exfoliate your skin and wash your body at the same time. So the spongele here has a retail value of 18 bucks. And it says, the beloved Honey Blossom fragrance adorned in a charming gift box married with warm honey and blooming lavender for a heavenly bathing experience. So I know it smelled like really fresh and clean. So that was the lavender that I must have picked up on. But that is the value, $18 for this one. So let's go to our next product. So guys, another one of these Queen products. Okay, so I got a product from them last month, and this is like the second product I seen come from BoxyCharm from Miss Queen. It's Queen. I'm assuming it's Queen. So we have some lip liners here, and it's the colors we have is a lip liner duo is Spray Tan and SOS. So let me pop it out so I can show you guys. And I don't know if you guys can see the little colors here on the bottom, but that's the colors. One's like a red, one's like a brownish color here. And this product here has a value of 18 bucks, so you get 2 lip liners. And guys, I'm gonna just pop a little picture in of how it looks on my skin, so you can see what the colors look like a little bit close up. And it says, indulge your inner bad bitch. The rich buttery formula of this lip liner duo delivers a high pigment payoff that seals in moisture for a comfortable long-lasting wear. So again, the Queen lip duo here, 18 buck value. So let's hit up our next product. Oh, they just fell on the floor, so I guess I'm gonna have to pick them up before I move to the next thing, but whatever. So guys, the next product out our box, I am familiar with this brand. This is by Beauty Bio. So Beauty Bio, they are a skin company. They've been around. I actually am more familiar with them because I use their micro needling tool on my face. So I already, as soon as I seen this, I knew who they were. But we have some eye pads from Beauty Bio. So their stuff is a little bit pricey, so I'm curious to see how much this is. This is valued at $28, and we have Bright Eyes Depuffing and Brightening Eye Gel Pads. Stay in place. Cooling eye gel helps to depuff, brighten, and fill in the appearance of fine lines to rescue the delicate under eye skin from the effects of stress, sleepless nights, and red-eye flights. So we got quite a few pads in here. Does it say how many come in here? You have 8. So there's 8. So we have quite a few in here. So I think that's nice. You can have these for a minute and can enjoy some de-stressing on our spa day Sunday. Or whenever you like to do spa day. I normally do mine on Sunday, but or Wednesday. But I can't wait to use this as a part of my regimen. So looking forward to having them. And again, $28 value, guys. So guys, the next product is a LYS product. This is the Think Bright. This is the Glow and Hydrate Serum. So guys, this product here has a value of $28, and this product instantly awakens dull, uneven skin with weightless, radiant, boosting serum that is sure to brighten and quench your skin's thirst. It's infused with vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. This face serum is a secret to supple, youthful looking skin. And again, this is a LYS product, and I missed out on that AIA box because they had a whole LYS takeover for the other month that I really wish that I would have picked up, but I just decided not to get it. So oh well. So I got this product to try out, and I'm looking forward to trying it out. Let me pop it out the box to show you guys. So this is how it comes, and it's like little glistening something in here. Something in here is a little bit like shimmery, like a shimmering something. So I can't wait to try this out. So very happy to get this, and this was one of the items that I did get to choose for the Luxe box. I did get to choose this one. I remember that. So guys, the next product I have, I couldn't believe this was in here, was a Pat McGrath product. I was blown away. Pat McGrath. So I have an eyeshadow by Pat McGrath, and this is valued at $25. And as you know, her stuff is really expensive. Very good quality stuff, but very expensive. So I'm happy I have this. So this is the cult classic Creme de la Creme of Mother iconic eyeshadow. Now starring solo is the seductive singles, is the tantalizing array of textures and hues. Again, this is $25, and the color that I have, what is this called? This one is called Enrapture, and it's a gold color eyeshadow. And I love how they always have these little sequins. If you ever bought anything from Pat McGrath, they always come in these little packets with the little sequins inside. I think that is so cool. I want to rip this open so I can show you guys what it looks like. Let me open this, and then we'll take it out of here and I'll show you. So guys, this is our color. This is a beautiful gold, and I'm going to put some on the back of my hand so I can show you. Oh my God, look at the pigment pickup just with my finger. Dang, that is no. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Look at that. That is awesome. I cannot wait to use this. Oh my God, this is beautiful. I'm so happy I got this one. This box is looking really good so far. I'm just letting you know. So again, the Pat McGrath, this eyeshadow single that we have is valued at $25 for the little one here. And again, like I told you, Pat McGrath has great products. Beautiful. That is stunning. That is a stunning gold. I am taken away. I'm like super excited about that one. So far this box is looking real good to me. So let's let's go on to our next product in the box before I get stuck at Pat McGraw. Ooh, so guys, we got a palette. Look at this, look at this. So let's see what we have here. And it's a Natasha Denona palette. Oh, I love her stuff. I love her stuff. This is awesome. So we have the Zendu palette. And let me pull it out here. So this palette is valued at $69. Wow. Whoa. Okay. Excuse my fingerprints I've already put on the top. So guys, let's open her up. Here we go. Here we go. Look. Da, da, da. Look at the colors. And I'm going to go ahead and just put my Natasha Denona thing over the top so I don't blind you with the ring lights and everything. So guys, this is a warm and cool tone palette inspired by the ambiance where nature meets minimalist architect, a mix of elements that convey peacefulness and tranquility. It is featured in 15 iconic indie pressed pigments, eyeshadows, including a ranges of browns, beige, pinks to corals, shades complemented with a teal, mint, and green hues. The perfect balance and color combination to create warm and cool, everyday, bold, and expressive looks. Again, the palette is $69. Guys, I also have up right about now, I'm showing you the swatches that I did on my arm, and I'm showing you the picture of how all the colors look on me. Only a few colors didn't show up that well, and I would say they're more like these lighter colors here. Like this one here didn't show up that good on me, and the comb wasn't too bad. That wasn't too bad, but it didn't show up that well on me. So you guys see it up on the screen now. And I did take a peek in here because I did hear Natasha Denona palette was going to be in here, and my eye look today was created with this palette. So I did use the Mindful color as my base color, and then I went in with the calm color here. Yeah, I went in with the I went in with the Balance, and then I topped it off with the Luster color that is right there, the gold color. So everything was very easy to work with, and I have a very nice balanced look, not too overdone. But a nice balanced look. I really enjoy using this palette. If you have not used Natasha Denona's palettes, please go get some. Please go try it. I first got my first one from Ipsy, which they've sent me 3 times already. No, from BoxyCharm. Yeah, BoxyCharm sent me the Natasha Denona palette, which they've sent to me 3 times. The same exact one. I would have wish they would have sent something different. But now they've made up for it because I got this beautiful palette. So I am super hyped about this. This is like a plus all day. This box is looking very good to me. I'm very happy. I'm a happy camper. So let's pull out our next item out of here. So I have a product by Make. I'm not familiar with them at all. This is a serum balm. It's a hydrating lip treatment, and this is valued at $26. So let's pop her out so you guys can see. And this is how it comes, and it's just a balm, and it's like a clear pink color, so with the on the doe foot applicator. So very nice, and this will be nice to have. I haven't tried this out before, but a balm is a good way to introduce you to a company, so that's pretty cool. It says this lip serum product provides instant hydration while softening, smoothing, and plumping. Formulated with a natural lip volumizing ingredient, lip conditioner treatment adds luxurious long-lasting shine and cushion. Okay, yeah, so this is a new brand that Boxy has noted on here that's new to BoxyCharm, so that's cool. What else we got? Oh guys, we got one big thing in here, and I'm gonna show it to you. So we have a Pen and Live product. We got, like, it feels like it's a bag. So let me bust this open and show you. It is a bag. Oh, let's pull this one out. Look at this, guys. I don't ever think I've gotten a bag ever from BoxyCharm. I'm impressed. I am really impressed. Hold on. So it's a tote bag. I'm trying to stretch it out so you guys can see it in its glory. So this is what we got, guys. Isn't this cool? So it's Henny and Liv. I'm sorry. This bag is valued at $129.99. So basically $130. And look, I'm over here putting makeup on it already, as usual. And you get a pocket in the front. Look, and it feels like leather. I'm sure this is not leather. I would really be surprised if it was. Does it say what it is? It says, who doesn't need an everyday tote? Look no further. This is a easy day to night transition tote that fits a small laptop, phone, and other essentials, which I agree. You can get quite a few things in here. And do not hesitate to take this tote to drinks right after work. Handcrafted with gorgeous PU, whatever. What is that? I don't know. So guys, the back doesn't have any pocket or anything, but on the inside, it feels like a suede kind of material back here, but I highly doubt it's suede. It feels like a suede material right there. And we do have some pockets on the inside right here. But it's a nice bag. I mean, like, look inside. It's a nice bag. And I do think it would definitely be sturdy. I'm just surprised we've never got a bag. Really cool. Really, really cool. So, guys, in review, I think this is probably one of the best Luxe boxes that I have received in a very long time with BoxyCharm. I enjoyed this box. I don't know if you guys got the boxyluxe. If you didn't, I feel bad for you, because I feel like it definitely paid for itself this time. I'm very satisfied, happy with everything that I got in this box. Like, I mean, just a full range of everything. Let me know if you guys got this box and what did you get. Like, are you as excited as I am about all the stuff in here? I would love to hear your comments below, guys. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what you think about this Luxe box. I mean, I'm very satisfied. If they can keep this kind of momentum going forward, super, super happy. But this is it. I am glad that I have the Luxe box and I didn't cancel it. I'm very happy. So, guys, until next time, I will see you guys later. Keep smiling, keep shining, and keep putting on your makeup and having fun like me and playing around in these palettes. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye!